Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure Helix is reachable and you're authenticated. This avoids failed writes later. Once connected, pick the workspace or stream that contains the changes you want to freeze, because snapshots capture that scope. Next, create the snapshot with the p4snap create command or the GUI snapshot right arrow new flow, and give it a clear name including date and short ID so you can find it fast. This first snapshot establishes a restore point for all subsequent steps. Once the snapshot exists, verify its contents so you trust what you'll restore later. Run p4snap list and p4snap describe with the snapshot ID or preview in the GUI. Make sure metadata like changelist ID, user, and timestamp are included. This is why you select the include metadata option or use the flag. If files changed after the snapshot, refine by creating a delta snapshot or tagging key changelists. That keeps history granular and makes selective restores simpler later. To complete, apply the snapshot where you need it. Use p4snap apply with the snapshot ID or the GUI restore action, and decide between overwrite or merge mode depending on local changes. After restore, run your build and tests, verify changelists and workspace views, and commit any necessary merges. If something goes wrong, check server logs and permissions first, because most failures are access or corruption related. If integrity is suspect, recreate the snapshot or export and import it as a recovery step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.